Yeah, welcome back to a brand new video, and we're just outside the old Cleveland Works factory, and don't know whether this is still in use, this building, but yeah, must be in some use over there. I don't know, not too sure. There's a couple of cars parked in the car park. And this one here is another massive factory headquarters, HANLEY Companies. First Baton's Reg. Yeah, headquarters of HANLEY Companies in 1897. So this one's been here a long time, this one. So we're heading on into HANLEY now, and we're just in the Smithfield area, and got a cage full of crap there. So, yeah, it looks a bit of a mess around here, and when I film this church here in Shelton, it's still being done up. We'll head on into HANLEY, and might go down here. There's some other kind of business down here. Let's have a little look at this one, this old factory here. Looks like an old factory. Oh, it's somebody's just left a couple of pizza boxes there right outside a church. Disgusting, isn't it? So, yeah, well, so we're on the right path, and it's not a factory, it's just a old car showroom, like the top of a factory. So yeah, we're going down this road here now towards the Smithfield Centre and the cultural quarter. I don't know if HANLEY's got any culture left, to be honest. It's all gone. And HANLEY used to be a thriving town, and doing something here with gas works. It was a thriving town at one time, HANLEY, in the 90s and the early noughties. It was the A1 place to be. Everyone came here to do the shopping, and now it's been hit hard on hard times, and antisocial behaviours going on all the time. It's a bit of a dangerous place to be these days. But yeah, there's crap everywhere up there. Look at that, incredible. But these are the council offices. This multicoloured building, and this is the £15 million car park that has been spent in HANLEY. I'm not sure why. In other areas, they're knocking building on car parks, houses. So why we need more car parks in a city that's struggling, I'm not too sure. But yeah, we've got the Hilton Garden Inn, which is the hotel here in HANLEY, just across the road. So yeah, we're back on the Smithfield area of HANLEY, and Look at it round here. They must have spent a fortune round here to make it look like this. After they spent a lot of money around this area, but they haven't bothered with any of the other areas. Unbelievable, isn't it? And yeah, that's the council office, the old Smithfield building. And you can't believe it, can you, when you walk through Hanley, the state it's in, and all this cultural quarter, what it's known as. It's just unbelievable. We'll head on into the main part of Hanley. And show you what that's like. And I always try and show you. And this is interesting in here. I've got an old Spitfire. So might try and video, get my phone out for this. I don't know if you can see very well, but get the reflection of the window up. There's an old Spitfire inside here. I never knew that. An MK XVI. But walking back up the road now, and got to be careful. I've only got 10% battery left on my my GoPro. So this is all empty. This is the old library, this building here, and it's looking in a bit of a sorry state, to be fair. But I'm hoping I've got enough battery just to show you a little bit of Hanley. And yeah, that was the cultural quarter. It was just been down, and now we're going up to the non-cultural side, which is the main high street and the main part of Hanley. It's a Potteries Museum and Art Gallery. We'll head on up here. And look at I saw that building there. Don't know what's happening with that one. It's an absolute eyesore. And there's a lot of these buildings up around here which are in disrepair. Bethesda Street is the one we're on, and shall we have a little wander up here? I think we will. Let's have a little wander up this way. I think a car just pulled up onto a bus there. So, yeah, that's the church, Bethesda Methodist Church, and I don't know if it's still open. 70p for 15 minutes, £1 for 30 minutes, £2 for an hour, 2 hours £4, 3 hours £7. Unbelievable, isn't it? And just go down the road there, you can park at Tesco for nothing for 3 hours. So why would you pay £7 to park a little bit further up? I'm not too sure. But yeah, going up to the B&M here in Hanley, and one's going to Waterhays. That one. And got to BBC Radio Stoke. That's still there, that the BBC Radio Stoke. And Buzz Bingo. And this used to be the old town hall. And I don't know what's happening with this. It was up for sale, and I think it's now been bought because the signs have come down. But yeah, we got a couple pictures, a couple dogs or something here now. They weren't there before. But yeah, you can see it says this building is now closed. The town hall, the old town hall, has gone, and I don't know what's going to become of it now. And the register office, what was here as well. But yeah, and you've got the monument here for the people that lost their lives in the war, in the World War I and World War II, and the Albion pub. And it's quite quiet actually around Hanley today. Yeah, I've got this B&M here, and that's been there for quite a while. It used to be an Argos, and down here it used to be thriving around this area as part of Hanley, and the only thing that's thriving now is the bus station down there. It's the only bit that sort of brings people around this section now. If it wasn't for that bus station, this area would be pretty much empty, I just think. But we'll carry on walking around here and show you this section here. And I might have to poke my camera up and I want to show you what's going on above here, if anything. So we'll have a little look, see if I can see anything with my camera. But this building here is set to become a cafe, I think, this one. There's a lot of work to do, and this place is in disrepair, and you could see how much money they spent further down the road to what they're spending up here. So yeah, there's all sorts of paraphernalia around here, as you can see. There's crap everywhere. And I'm going to go above here and just show you what it's like, see what's happening up here, because you can't actually see anything, it's just boards. So we'll see all graffiti and artwork down here now on these boards. There wasn't before, but there is now, because they've been here that long. So yeah, let's have a look at the old bus station and what it used to be like. So yeah, that's the old bus station there, and I can't see what it's like at all in ground level, but that is the old bus station. You got this big building here. It's empty to go with it. So yeah, that's the old bus station, and I can imagine there's a fair few weeds up there. It'll be interesting to see what it's like on when I get it down to the ground. Yeah, it's been like this for some time now. So imagine this is where the bus is actually parked up, because it looks like this is the sort of area where they park the buses. So imagine this is where they park the buses, perhaps. And yeah, it was all shut up for years and years before it got knocked down. These the Woolworths and all that as well. So let me know in the comments. I think that might have been the car park potentially that I showed you. I don't know. So let me know in the comments. what it was. I wonder what's going to happen with these buildings here. Been like this for ages, haven't they? They're absolute eyesores in the main part of HANLEY city centre. So my GoPro has died. Didn't put enough battery in it, so yeah, I was went out with 55 and it's now dead. So yeah, I'm gonna go and have a look and see what the demolition of the Falcon works is like now, after roughly about 2 or 3 weeks later now. And the last time we came round here, I can see that some of the building is still remaining. But, yeah, so it's still some of it's still there, but the majority looks like it's gone now actually. And yeah, we're just going over the flyover here as you come off of the Pottery Centre car park, which is just there on the left hand side of me of this flyover. So we'll just head on round and have a look at the old Falcon works, see if we can find out yet what's happening with this building, and what's going to happen for the future of the site, basically. But as I say, it looks like from the roadside, it's the majority of it is now gone, and a lot of people have asked what's happening with the bottle kiln inside the site, and whether it'll be still there, and I'm not too sure is the answer. I have absolutely no idea, but what we will do is we'll have a look and at the old Falcon works. So this is how the Falcon works looks like today, on Thursday the 13th of March 2025, and it's all gone practically. There isn't much of it left, and you can see where it says letters. That's where they must have had to put the letters back in the day. But yeah, it's that's a big sign, danger, keep out. But, yeah, I don't know what's happening with this. So just speaking to one of the contractors here, and I believe the he said the bottle kiln, which is the building just there with the bricks piled on top of it, is set to remain. So there you go, folks. But he doesn't have a clue what's happening with the site, so we don't know what it's going to become. But there's nobody, don't think there's anybody here now actually on the site. They've just gone, and there's no demolition being done today. So what's happening with it now is a mystery. But what we can do is we can have a look at what we can see. So just to go above here, so you can just see in there, in that room there, what it was. And it was a Falcon pottery this, so it's a pot bank. I'm guessing the entrance was here, and you've got a cup there. Whether that's one of the last remaining cups that's come out of this place is a mystery. But just see there's like an old piece of machinery there, perhaps. And on this side over here, we can the fence just goes down here, so I can actually show you. You can see the old lift shank that was, so that would have been the lift. It potentially brought goods up and down from this building. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk up the other side, and we'll have a look to see what we can see of that old factory at the top. See what's happening with that one. But yeah, this is what remains of this one. We'll go around that section in a minute and have a look around there as well. But yeah, I managed to catch the guys just leaving, as I say, and they've just told me that the bottle kiln here is staying, but they have no idea what's happening with the actual site itself going forwards. But we'll have a look and see have a look at I say at the other factory if we can get up to it. But it's a bit awkward to get to. So there's something happening on this site as well. Got a little digger that was going round as well, and don't want to interrupt him. He's right at the main entrance, so I won't disturb him what he's doing. But yeah, that's this site here, and another factory over here as well. And the sun's come out now, which is nice. But, I'm just having to peek through this fence here, so. But yeah. Does anybody have any ideas what this was in the past? It's just a pile of rubble now, as you can see. I'll go a bit slower. And all these tiles, great load of tiles. Yeah, got one tiles there, and it's just a pile of rubble now. There's some of the wall that's still left from the original building that was here. But just going around here, and yeah, more tiles. Loads of them there. But, yeah, what was this building before? Does anybody know? But, Staffordshire Probation Service. Maybe that's something to do with it. Staffordshire Probation Service. Central team. Just find that information there, see. But, yeah, it's all gone now. And we'll just go up here, see if we can get around the back of that old factory. See what we can get, see of that old Falcon Works site. But there's another little building that still remains, another factory on the far side, and you can't get up the other way because of the rubbish. We tried that last time, so I'm going to see if I can get down it this way, perhaps. Yeah, some of the houses could do with a touch up round here. It's a bit of a mess around this section, and yeah, we'll head on down here and see if we can get another view of that old derelict factory, the old Falcon Works, which is going to come down in the near future. You can see these terraced houses have been up here for years and years and years, and you see them there. Them we used for scraping your shoes off years ago. But, that's how long these houses have been here for. So yeah, just the site on this door, it says Total Bakery Engineers. But, not sure if that's still going. Look like it is. But yeah, perhaps that's what this factory was. This is the other side of where and you can see they're doing something in the distance over there, as I say. But, yeah, what's happening with this? I wonder. looks like another old factory down here. So, yeah, got another one here. And, yeah, I wonder what this one was. A no parking loading zone. You can see where the, well, it's obviously the roof's gone at some point. So, yeah, it looks a bit of a mess, doesn't it? But, yeah, I wonder what this was here. But this is the back of the old Falcon pottery site, and so that's the back of the old Falcon pottery, and that's the building there which I was trying to get to. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be able to. And you can, if you go down there, you can walk past the actual building itself, but I don't think I particularly want to walk down there. It's an absolute mess, isn't it? You've got to be brave to walk down there. A fly tipping haven for many. This was around here. But, yeah, looks like it's all set to change in the near future, perhaps. But yeah, I wonder what this was previously. And as I say, you've got this other building here, and again, I'm not sure what this was either. So another old factory that just stands here derelict, and looks like it's been derelict for some time. The guttering's gone on it, and the bricks are starting to go there as well. Yeah, it's all boarded up. I don't know how many times this one. Yeah, this is just the side of it. Yeah, it's been empty for some time, this odd one has, hasn't it? So, just carry on down here, and got a bin here. It's a steel bin that's been burnt out. Oh, a mess. That down there, dangerous, isn't it? Somebody puts their foot in that there, break their ankles. So yeah, I've just come back round now to the front of the building, and when we walked down there last time, it was an absolute mess, and it's still the same. I can imagine there's rats and all sorts living in here. Right mess. And the fire extinguisher's still here as well. And what I shall do is I'll try and get up there a little bit more than what I did on the last video. Just to see, it's like they've pushed it back a bit. They've obviously brought the digger up and pushed some of this back up there to, yeah, look at it. And as I say, I'll just have a little wander up here before it's all gone, basically. And don't know how long it's going to take them to get rid of all this, but to demolish all this. But I should imagine it's not going to take them too much longer. But there's nobody on site today, so perhaps I don't know what's going on, to be honest. But yeah, this was the building I was trying to get to, so I'm glad that they've pushed it back so we can actually have a quick look before it all goes. And you can see the old cups there on the ledge. Incredible. Yeah. But It's such a shame to see the industry which has gone like this, and continues. The Royal Stafford's building's now getting all the stuff's coming out of it, and I believe it's all being sold to John Pye auctions, and many have lost their jobs there, and Port Merion, people are losing their jobs there, and the other one as well, can't just think it is, the other one's suffering as well, in Longport, can't just think of the name of that one, but that's suffering as well. And just have a little nosy in what we can see through here, but probably not a lot. Yeah, that's just inside one of the rooms that's still remaining here. Don't want to get too close to it, because this is a dangerous piece of here. But, see where they've taken the roof out. But, yeah, it's fantastic to see this as well when it's actually in action. But, I'm just bringing you an update, and we'll come down again at some point and give you another update of what it's like, but there isn't much left really, is there? And yeah, just imagine it's not going to be long till it's all gone, and see all the bricks on the pavement here. And what they do is they pick all the bricks up, mainly all the ones that are in one piece, I should imagine, and cart them back, and they go into use for somewhere else. So they sort of recycle bricks these days now. But yeah, all this is sadly no more. And the good news is that they are keeping the bottle kiln. So that is one good piece of news for you. But that's it to the old Falcon works here. And as I say, if you have liked the video, please give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. And it's a goodbye from me, and goodbye.